Hi, Wes Scott from Life Back Law. Today we're going to talk about non-exempt assets and my Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Well, what happens to non-exempt assets? And these are assets that we can't exempt, that we can't protect. And then you say, well, what happens to my unprotected assets in Chapter 13 bankruptcy? You don't lose control, possession, or ownership of these assets. But then you have to have a hurdle that you have to jump in order to be in the Chapter 13. It's called the best interest test. And that best interest test simply states whatever your creditors would have received had you filed a 7, they must receive if you file a 13. What does that mean? Well, if your creditors would have received $10,000 from you in a Chapter 7, that becomes the floor. That becomes the hurdle you got to jump, if you will. In a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, your creditors have to receive $10,000 over the life of the plan, but you do not lose either possession or ownership of these assets in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. But in order to get a plan confirmed, you have to jump these hurdles when the time is right. When you are ready to get your life back, reach out to Life Back Law. You're going to be so thankful you did.